football team just won the Super Bowl on a last-second catch. What do? You celebrate! Yes! Red Bull!
And I'm here to tell you, folks, this is real. We're going places. Let's do this.
Isn't that true, though, what she said? I mean, we have 1.2 million people in the Ripple, but wasn't it seeded by one person inviting another? And it's really that trust that we have with that one person that moves the market today. Does that make sense? People have faith in those that have faith in other people. Ripple!